Here come some more elephants, Jack.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
So I guess we'll put him on first.
Morning.
Good morning. Actually, maybe I'll go on, and if someone could... Can you climb up there?
No.
No?
What if I get up there? Can you climb up if I reach for you?
Okay, I help you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you go first.
Step here. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Yay.
Here. You move here.
Okay, should I just step right on his...
Okay.
Scoot over. It's okay.
Today. Spaghetti?
No.
No, what?
Egg. 2
Egg.
sausages and 1 bacon.
Oh, very nice. Come on, Jimmy.
Hello.
Now we go up, Jack. We're going into rice paddy.
Hello, ladies.
But they can swim long distance. They can run long distance, but swim long distance. Momon. Let's go, Momon.
Mama, come on, Mama.
You know, Jimmy has a long name, Jack. Long name, Jimi Hendrix.
Oh.
You know why I'm give name Jimi Hendrix? Because I like Jimi Hendrix. You playing music?
Yeah.
Yes. What kind of
I
music?
only have a toy guitar.
Ah.
But when I grow up, I'm gonna have a real one,
Oh, good.
so I could get on a band.
Ah, yes, yes. Okay, Jack. So now we can see many fruit, yeah, many plants, and many fruit. This is cacao,
There's more cacao.
and this is yellow coconut. On the left side, this is banana. So the farmers put on the banana plastic. That's for keep away monkeys. Yeah? And over there.
Hi, Wendy.
Please, can help look, yeah? Maybe not good, I'm sorry. Not professional photo, yeah?
No paparazzi. My friend just papa crazy. Ayo, Jimmy, go, Jimmy.
Okay.
You can do it, Jimmy.
Thank you very much. Okay, boy.
Okay, Jack. Jack?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay.